Hello, everyone. Did you know that on WhatsApp, you can precisely decide who can see your profile photo? This feature is perfect for those who want extra privacy or simply wish to control their digital identity. In today's video, I will show you step-by-step how to configure this option and adjust it to your needs. Stay with me and learn how to protect your privacy in the best way. First, open your WhatsApp application on your phone. When you're on the home screen, you'll notice 3 dots in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on them, and a menu with options will appear. From this menu, select Settings. Once you're on the WhatsApp settings page, find the Privacy option and tap on it. On the Privacy settings page, locate the Profile Photo option and tap to open it. Now, you can choose who can see your profile photo on WhatsApp. If you select Everyone, your profile photo will be visible to anyone who has your number, even if they are not in your contacts. If you choose My Contacts, only people saved in your contact list will be able to see your photo. The My Contacts Except option allows you to exclude specific contacts from seeing your profile photo, while others in your contact list can still view it. Finally, if you choose Nobody, your profile photo will not be visible to anyone, including your contacts. Once you select the desired option, the settings will be automatically saved. That's all for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. See you soon, and thank you for watching.